Okay, so this is the Manx tune, Three Little Boats. Your levers are in B minor for trad music, so which is the same as D major. So you have your F sharps and your C sharps, as well as any other ones you would have for C major. So have a listen to it pretty much up to speed, and then I'll go through it again. Okay, so the whole of the tune, just a melody, very steady and slow. Changing fingers on the three notes. Changing fingers here as well. Onto the second half. Okay, so with the left hand, we've got a B158 chord first. Have a listen, it starts on the first note. Okay, so it's going with the F, with the third of the B's, D third, C third. So that's a D and an F, and a C and an E. Have a listen to that phrase again. D third, C third with a C. And we're going to go up a B triad. And up an F7, so that's like an F chord, F158, but your thumb's going to be on the E. That's because we use the F in our melody there. Have a listen. I'll do that B triad bit again. And your F7, so that's FCE. Third phrase, nearly the same as the first half, so you're going to go up your B chord again. Your right hand is going to copy exactly what your left hand is going to copy exactly what your right hand does. So it's going to go in unison, working together, 2-1, 2-1. So it's copying the melody. Have a listen again. Okay, ending now. D third, C third, B third. So it's a D and an F, C and an E, B and D. I'll play you all of the first half twice through, nice and slowly. D third, C third, up a B triad, up a F7, so FCE, up a B158 again, in unison, both hands the same. D third, C third, B third, and all again. Onto the second half. We're going to go up a G chord, up a G158, then we're going to turn under and go up 2-1, 2-1, following the next four notes. So we've got A, B, C, D. So G chord, turn under, 2 1 2 1, A, B, C, D. So that's going to end up as a little harmony along with our melody. Have a listen. First note comes by itself because it's a pickup. Then up the G chord. When we're on C and D in our right hand, that's when our harmony for the crossing under starts. So we go. So you're very close together. You're just a third apart. So your harmony now, A, B, C, D. Next, we're going to have a G fifth on our left hand. So it's a G and a D. And our thumb's going to stay in the D, but our finger's going to move down. And then eventually back up again. So the pattern's G and D, F and D, E and D, and back up to F and D. Have a listen how that fits in. So it comes with the first G, and with the F, with the G, and with the F at the end of the phrase. Back to the first phrase, because the third phrase is the same as the first. So you've got your close harmony again. Actual ending, we've got a G octave, F octave, and up a B158. So G octave, up a B158. Okay, I'll play you all the second half slowly, both hands together. G octave, F octave, and finish up with a B158.